Hello everyone, we are on step 6 of learning CSS Flexbox by building a photo gallery on freeCodeCamp.org. Give each IMG an src source attribute according to its order in the document. The first one should have this attribute. Okay, so we're going to give it src, and I'm going to copy and paste that. And then we're going to add this one, but replace the number with number 2. And we're going to do the same thing again. And replace it with number 3. And we're going to do it again, replace the number with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's see here. 9. And that is it for this video. We will take a look at all the pictures we have inserted. I hope you found that helpful, and I will see you next time.